Hello everyone, I'm Emma and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a sequence which will target opening the shoulders and help relieve shoulder pain. It is day 10 out of our 14-day yoga challenge if you are here for that, and if you are, then welcome back. But we are going to start today in a nice easy pose, so a nice easy seat. And whenever we start in these seats, I definitely recommend grabbing a block, grabbing something just to help elevate your hips to make it a little bit more comfortable if you're not able to find that neutral spine in these seated positions. Right, so you may need a towel or something. We'll be doing a little bit of shoulder flossing at the end there. It's not super important. I will give you an alternative if you don't have one, but either a strap or a towel works if you feel like doing that shoulder flossing at the end. But we'll definitely open the shoulders, so you don't absolutely need one of these or a towel. Okay, so to begin, just take a seat and take a couple of deep breaths. On that next inhale, lift the shoulders up, and then exhale, roll them down your back. Find that nice posture. Very nice. One more deep breath. And then we're just gonna open the eyes and begin to nod the head yes. And for 3 times here. And then nod the head no. Let's bring it back to the middle first, and then shake it side to side. Get the blood flowing in the little neck and the muscles. Very nice. From here, we're going to interlace the fingers. Get it so the thumbs are parallel. Place them on the neck here. Fist underneath the neck, and then inhale to open. Keep that neck nice and controlled. Exhale, bring those interlaced hands, place them behind your head, stay tall in the spine, and just very gently pull the head down, very gently. Very nice, release. So we're going to be working on the neck flexors next. And this sequence will be really good for treating that seating posture that we all sit in. So kind of like hunched over, really long back muscles. You want to be lifting up here. And our neck normally juts forward if we're on our phones or on the computer. But we're going to try and reverse that and work the neck flexes a little bit. So from here, I want you to tuck the chin in. And then stick it out. It looks kind of ridiculous, but it's really good. So just work those neck flexors a little bit. A couple of repetitions here. Just try and create that double chin. Excellent. Now hold the chin tucked in here. Really press it in. Nice, release it. And from here, interlace the hands behind your back and punch the fists towards the ground. So if you're not able to do this, then actually the towel is a good thing to grab, or anything you can hold on to between the hands as you press the shoulders down. Really lift the chest, gently lift the head to follow the spine. Get that nice stretch on the front of the arms, of the shoulders, of the chest. Take a deep breath here. And exhale, very nice. Bring the hands back to the middle, inhale, reach them up. And you'll be familiar with this if you've been doing our 14-day challenge. We're gonna open the arms to cactus. Inhale, right arm underneath the left. Come into eagle arms. So wrap the right arm under the left, right below the left elbow, and try and connect the palms. If you're not able to do that, holding on to something like a towel is really good for this as well. Or just like try and reach the hands around as much as you can. Another good one, if you're not able to eagle arm, is just wrap the arms and the shoulders. Then from here, pull the shoulder blades down a little bit. One more breath. Then inhale, open cactus arms. And wrap the left arm under the right this time, swap sides. Pull the shoulder blades back and down, elbows down. Nice, release the hands. We'll come forwards into our downward facing dog. So walk the feet back if you want to use more of the mat or wherever you were, just get back into that down dog. Really press with the shoulder blades. Engage those shoulders. Then inhale, come forwards, come into your plank position. Very nice. So we're gonna do a few little dips here, just 5 shoulder push-ups, so they look just like that. We wanna pull the shoulder blades together and then push them apart. So just 5 repetitions. If this is too hard for you in plank, bring the knees down and just do it from here in your tabletop. So here we go, 5 times. Nice, bring it back down. And from here, bring the elbows onto the mat. This may be tricky, it's called dolphin pose. So if it's too tricky, come into your low plank here. But if you're able to press the chest through the arms and just open the arms gently, walk the feet up. Get a nice shoulder opener here in dolphin. So go to that down dog, tuck the ribs in. It'll also give you the opening, or knees down, hands out, and just lift the whole chest into an active puppy pose here. We'll do that one just after this, so if this is too intense, feel free to lower down into that puppy pose. Very nice. Lower the knees down, walk them back, so knees under the hips, and then bring the hands on the ground, lift the elbows off the mat, tuck the ribs in here, active puppy pose. Very nice. Come back into that tabletop, bring the hands underneath the shoulders. Exhale, peel the hips up and back, downward facing dog. Take a breath, really opening the shoulders. On the next inhale, we're gonna walk between the hands, come forwards into halfway lift. Exhale, fold forwards, bend the knees. We're gonna bring the hands behind our back, interlace them again, just like the beginning, then pull the arms up towards the head as high as you can. So don't worry too much about the hamstrings here. Work on the arms, and the arms stretch first, then try and get that hamstring stretch. Very nice. Wherever you are, press into the legs. Inhale, push up, keep the arms connected if you can. Release them down to the sides. Very nice. Take a breath in mountain. Then inhale, reach the arms up. Nice and slow. Exhale, open cactus. Inhale, right arm under the left. Eagle arms, connect the palms. Lower the elbows down. Lower the shoulder blades down the back. Love this one. Release, inhale, cactus. Exhale, left arm under the right, connect the palms, shoulder blades, and elbows down. Exhale, release, cactus, very nice. Exhale, bring the palms together at the chest. Then from here, we're gonna inhale, raise that right leg up. If you did the balancing yesterday, you'll recognize this. And exhale, just step it back. So bring the foot towards like a 45 degrees angle towards that long side of the mat. Connect the palms at the front and start bending down towards that front leg. So make sure you have a nice base here. This is our pyramid pose. And from here, either hold it just like this or add that shoulder stretch. So interlacing the hands behind the back, opening the shoulders, leaning forwards and down, or if you want something a little bit more intense, try and connect the palms behind the back here. Come into reverse Anjali Mudra. Fold down forwards. Couple of deep breaths. Very nice. Rise back up. One more breath here. Release the hands down to the sides. Step it back up to your mountain pose. Inhale, reach the arms up. Nice and slow. Exhale, hands through the middle. Inhale again, raise that left leg up. Exhale, step it back, sweep the arms. Land that foot 45-degree angle towards the long edge of the mat. Turn the torso towards the front right leg and lean down. Option 1 again, option 1 is here. Option 2, hands behind the back and lean forwards. Option 3, palms together. Sneak them up the back and fold forwards. Couple of deep breaths. Pyramid pose, again, it's just one of my favorite poses. I really like straightening the leg here. Very nice. Rise back up. One more breath. Exhale, step it to the top of the mat. Lower the hands back down. Very nice. Ooh, the shoulders are feeling really nice and open. Just rise them up, bring them up here, and just add a few little rotations back and forth, just to loosen them up. Very nice. Hands back down, arms up. Exhale, fold forwards. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step it back to plank. Take a breath. On the next exhale, bring the knees down to the mat. We're gonna walk the hands out here a little bit and sink the chest down into a passive puppy this time. Bring the elbows down to the mat this time. Let the hands sneak out. Sink that chest down. So this is just an excellent group of poses if you want to make your own yoga practice and feel stiff after studying all day or working all day at a desk or writing or hunching over, then throw this one or a couple of these poses into your practice and you'll be feeling so much better in that shoulder region. Very nice. Walk the hands back in. Take a breath. And exhale, sit back. Bring the legs to the side. Come into a nice comfy seat. So from here, we're going to grab onto our strap or our towel. And if you don't have one, again, option here, reach the arms up and bring them towards the back. So just like little flies here. Option 2 is flossing the other way. So we take, this is a yoga strap, by the way, if you haven't seen one. We take it about as far as you feel like you can go while still rotating here. So you might need to adjust to find that place where you feel the stretch. You can go forwards and back. Just a few of these. They feel really good across the chest. Very nice. Release it back down. Bring or take the strap to the side. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, bring that right hand towards the mat. Left hand comes onto the right side of the neck and just pull the head towards the left. Stretch that left side of the neck. Reach that hand. Doesn't have to reach the mat, but you can just reach for it and keep it quite tight here. So you're just targeting that neck. Inhale, reach back up, swap sides. Breathe here. Very nice. Inhale, reach back up. Exhale, bring the hands down through the middle. Take a breath. One last little stretch here. Just take that left arm out in front of you. Pull it over to the right. Hook the right arm under and pull. Roll the shoulder blade down your back. And close the eyes to officially kind of cool down here. Bring it over to the other side. So this time, left arm under the right, pull it to the left, roll the right shoulder blade down. Very nice. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, hands to the side. Just roll those shoulders out just a little bit after all that work. Inhale one more time, reach up. Exhale, hands through the middle. So we'll finish there for today. Hopefully you're feeling a lot more loose in the shoulders and you're maybe sitting up a little bit taller. And if you had any pain or tension through the day, I hope that it's mostly gone. And if you ever feel that again, feel free to repeat this or just any of the poses which served you most. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you tomorrow for day 11.